Okay, here folks. Right now I'm going to give Ellie this Fisher Price toy dog. And there she is. Being so selfish again. She wants the toy. She's always excited when you toy. That's what happened every time. So what are you gonna name this puppy, Ellie? Why don't you name this Yushu? Okay, I'll try to open this up. She already has a toy dog there. They are different from each other. One is kind of like a stuffed toy where when you press it, it'll bark, crawl, and jump at you. The other one is kind of like a dog that you can pull, and it's kind of like this. But then, it's still different from each one. Let's see. I'll open this up, Ellie. Wait! Oh, here's the puppy now. And there's Ellie. Ellie, you have to pull the puppy like this. Pull it. I don't know how she's gonna play with this toy. You have to pet it. Oops. It's kind of cute. Oop. It's funny. There. Ellie right now is 1 year and 2 months old. Well, not yet. 2 days more and she's 1 month, or I mean 1 year and 2 months old. Ellie, that is not a theater. That's supposedly your dog's lace. Wait. It's cute. Ellie. Ayaw mo naman laruan eh. Well, there's Ellie right now. Hopefully this gives you feedback on what this toy is for her. See you for now. There, she started to, well, not minding it again. Bye for now.